Hi everyone, this is Santhosh Kumar. Welcome to MAXLOGICALS. Today I introduce the one topic that is Locus. First of all, we discuss the what is the definition of the locus. Locus is the set of points. Locus is the set of points that satisfy the consistent geometrical condition. That means I have set of points that is called by A. In that A, I have the some points like x1, y1 and x2, y2 and so on, x and yn. And I have one geometrical condition, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is my geometrical condition, and this is set of points. This is the set of points. And now I pick the one point from A. That is x1 and y1. Now this point is substituted in above geometrical condition, that is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equal to 0. This point is satisfy the above geometrical condition. That point is called by locus. That is called this is the definition of the locus. Now I will discuss the one formula. This formula is very important. Please keep in your mind. That is, I choose the 2 points in that space. I choose the 2 points in space. That is, one point is called by A and another point is called by B. These 2 points are chosen in space, and that A is denoted by x1, y1 and B is denoted by x2 and y2. Now I will find the distance between these 2 points. These 2 points, that is modulus of A B equal to square root of y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. For example, I will take the x1 y1 equal to 0 comma 2 and x2 y2 equal to 2 comma 0. Now substitute this is denoted by A and this is denoted by B. Now substitute these points in above formula. The distance between A and B is square root of what is the value of y2 0 and what is the value of y1 2 whole square plus what is the value of x2 means 2 and x1 means 0 whole square. That equal to square root of 2 square 4 plus 4 equal to square root of 8. This is the 2 root of 2. This is the distance between the A and B. And now I introduce some standard forms. These standard forms is very important to solving the JEE mains questions. Please keep this all standard forms in your mind. Here the distance between A and B x1 y1 and B x2 y2 between 2 points is square root of modulus of A B square root of y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. Now first I introduce the standard form of the circle. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square with center h comma k and radius radius r. If you have center h comma k is origin, that means 0 comma 0, and our circle is converted to x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to r square, and my standard form is converted into x square plus y square equal to r square. This is the standard form of the circle when the circle of center is origin, and the circle of center is origin. Okay, next we will discuss the another standard form in circle, that is, this is the main standard form: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, and center of the with center of circle minus g comma minus f, and radius r equal to square root of g square plus f square plus c. This is the radius of the above circle. Now I introduce the standard form of the parabola, that is parabola. This is the very important, the most of the JEE questions are depending on this standard form. Y square equal to y minus h whole square equal to 4a into x minus k whole square with vertex h comma k. If we have the vertex of the above parabola is 0 comma 0, then the standard form is converted into like this, and h comma k, the vertex of h comma k equal to 0 comma 0. This point is substituted in above standard form of parabola, where y minus 0 whole square equal to 4a into x minus 0 whole square, that is y square equal to 4ax. This is the standard form of the parabola when vertex is h comma k is equal to 0. When we have some vertex that is h comma k, the standard form of the parabola is y minus h whole square equal to 4a into x minus k, and we will see the diagram of the parabola y square equal to 4ax. This is the diagram of the parabola. If you have y square equal to minus 4ax, that is the parabola looks like this. This is y square equal to minus 4ax. This is y square equal to 4ax. If you have x square equal to 4ay, and we get the parabola is like this: x square equal to 4ay. If you have x square equal to minus 4ay, and our my parabola looks like this. This is x square equal to minus 4ax. This is the all type of standard forms of the parabola. Please keep this standard form in your mind. Another standard form is ellipse. That is, we have x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by h square, b square, x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square with curve h comma k. If the curve is h comma k equal to 0 comma 0, then our ellipse is converted into x square by a square or y square by b square. This is the standard forms of the ellipse. And we will discuss the another standard form, that is the hyperbola. Hyperbola x minus h whole square by a square minus y minus k whole square by b square with the curve h comma k. If you have any doubt, please comment in comment box, and I will respond. And h comma k, if the curve is h comma k equal to 0, and our hyperbola is converted into x square by a square minus y square by b square, equal to 1 and equal to 1. This is the standard forms of the hyperbola, parabola, and circle and ellipse. In next section, I will discuss the level 2 questions which is asked from the JEE mains from this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you to all.